Have you ever started something that you really cared about and then life just got in the way? That's what happened with this painting. I started this weeks ago, and I even shared my journey with you in parts 1 through 3, and then I just stopped. Between life, my art business, and learning YouTube, I haven't touched it. But all that changes today. Hi, I'm Rita. I'm a professional artist, and I've been painting and running my art biz for over 25 years. Welcome. So if you want to see me finish this painting, stick around. So if you remember in part 3, or if you haven't seen part 3, I'll link it for you I'll link the whole series for you down in the description. This painting was almost finished, and I'm going to finish it today. There's just a few things I have to do. So I'm just going to quietly paint, and if you're into real-time videos, hopefully you'll enjoy this. I've got my colors here. I've got titanium white. This is a mixture I've mixed myself with unbleached titanium, some raw umber, and some black, which is also what I have on the palette here. I also have some yellow ochre. So I'm just mixing the colors. I want to lighten this area up a bit. I've just grabbed a pencil here and I'm just making some marks through the paint just to create some interest. There goes the pencil. I'm going to do something interesting here later. That part's been bothering me. Thank you for the lovely comments, by the way. I've been debating whether to put some music with these videos, but from your comments, I understand that you like the real-time painting no music. You're just right here in my studio. So, okay. That dark has been bothering me, so what I've done is just gone over it. And it's not an issue now. If I gently wipe the paint here, I can get some of what was in the back there to sort of peek out. And then I'm just blending it in with some pencil lines. Don't want to get too picky with it. Okay. So one thing that I get asked a lot is, how do you know when a painting is finished? And it's kind of just, for me, I know when I know. And it's just a gut feeling, really. Sometimes I'll finish a painting and then hang it and just live with it for a while. And usually I can tell that it's done. But if there's anything that I think still needs to be done, it will let me know. The last thing I want to do is overwork a painting. Which is what I'm concerned with today. It was almost finished and I just wanted to do a couple of tweaks to finish it. Here, okay, just going to fix it up here a little bit. Just want to blend this in a little more. I really didn't need that much. Like I said, just a few tweaks. And I'm liking it. I think it's finished. See? There's my tendency to go back in and overwork it, and I don't want to. Don't want to overdo it. But I think it's done for today. That was quick, but sometimes that's how it is. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. Subscribe if you're into these real-time painting videos. And that's it. I think it's done.